once again.
Okay, you'll see in one of our previous videos yesterday we went to a Nissan X Trail, done a DPF clean on it. After we finished, we noticed there's a problem with the glow plug relay circuit, so we're going to go back there now and replace that, and we've advised them not to drive it until we've got that done, as that's what's going to be causing the DPF issues. So we're going to go there now. We can get started up and we're going to see how far we've got to go. It's about 9.5 miles to Royston, so we're going to head over there now.
You have reached your destination.
Now we're just inside the car and we're running a diagnostic scan just to see what else has come up. Make sure the DPF fault has also disappeared. Thing is, if you continue driving it with glow plug faults or any sort of faults like that in the engine, then it will bring back the DPF fault pretty quickly. So let's have a look. Finished. Go inside the engine, see what we've got here. 2 faults. Okay, so we've got the glow plug relay and exhaust gas recirculation, which wasn't there yesterday. Typical. Now it looks like I'm going to have to tell the customer there's a new fault again, which is something I hate doing, because that wasn't there yesterday. But we're going to replace the glow plug relay now, and then we're going to have to see what's going on with this one. We can get the bonnet up, and we're now going to have a look for the relay, which should be around the battery somewhere. They're usually always located in this area. If you look down over here, I can see it. It's that silver little box down there. So we're going to have to remove this plastic ducting out of the way. And we're going to use this trim tool to get these off. One. Two. And 3. Remove this. Now we can see it a little better. We can reach it there with our hands. So now we just get that out. And there's a 10mm bolt just down there. Just going to open that. Now we've got it up. You can see that bolt here. It's there. Now we just need to remove this plug. It should just pull forward, and you pull the relay out at the same time. That's it. We have it out. Pretty easy, really. Get our new relay in here, and we'll put it down in place. can clear the fault code and take it for a test drive. So we're ready to take it out for a drive. That's all done. See you in our next video.